This episode of Caprice and Ella is rated TVMA and contains strong adult sexual content, which may be unsuitable for the young and sensitive viewers. Parental and viewer discretion is strongly advised.
Previously on Caprice and Ella.
This isn't art or a science experiment. It's a blatant violation of who I am. I'm not some blueprint for you to copy and flaunt around like a trophy for Ava.
Grace, you better stop it. I am actually thanking you here. And did I just watch what I think I watched?
I think so, Caprice. I think we watched Ava and Breeanna make out and have sex.
What the hell? Well, yeah, it is what it looks like.
I got a little change in my pocket going jingle-lang-a-lang. Wants to call you on the telephone, baby. I give you a ring, but each time we talk, I get the same old thing. Always no huggy, no kissy until I get a wedding ring. My honey, my baby, don't put my love upon no shelf. She said don't hand me no lines and keep your hands to yourself. Told me the story about free milk and a cow and said no huggy, no kissy until I get a wedding vow. My honey, my baby, don't put my love upon no shelf. She said don't hand me no lines and keep your hands to yourself. Talking about true love, started talking about sin. I said, honey, I'll live with you for the rest of my life. She said, no huggy, no kissing until you make me your wife. My honey, my baby, don't put my love on no shelf. She said, don't hand me no lines and keep your hands to yourself.
though I try to resist being last on your list, but no other man's gonna do. So I'm saving all my love for you. It's not very easy living all alone. My friends try and tell me find a man of my own, but each time I try, I just break down and cry, 'cause I'd rather be home feeling blue. So I'm saving all my love for you. You used to tell me we'd run away together. Love gives you the right to be free. You said be patient, just wait a little longer, but that's just an old fantasy. I got to get ready, just a few minutes more. Gonna get that old feeling when you walk through that door. 'Cause tonight is the night for feeling alright. We'll be making love the whole night through. So I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love for you. No other woman is gonna love you more. 'Cause tonight is the night that I'm feeling alright. We'll be making love the whole night through. So I'm saving all my love. Yeah, I'm saving all my loving. Yes, I'm saving all my love for you. For you.
Saying goodbye is never an easy thing, but you never said that you'd stay forever. So if you must go, darling, I'll set you free. But I know in time we'll be together. I will try to stop you now from leaving, 'cause in my heart I know love will lead you back. Someday I just know that love will lead you back to my arms, where you you miss me, you'll walk out this door, but someday you'll walk back in. Darling, I know this will be. Sometimes it takes some time out on your own now to find your way back. Love will lead you back. Someday I just know that love will lead you back to my arms where you belong. Sure as stars are shining, one day you will find me again. It won't be long. One of these days, our love will lead you back. I will try to stop you now from leaving, 'cause in my heart I know someday. I just know that love will lead you back to my arms where you belong. Sure as stars are shining, one day you will find me again. It won't be long. One of these days, our love will lead you back. Love will lead you back. Someday, I just know that love will lead you back to my arms. It won't be long. One of these days, our love will lead you back.
several days later.
Win in a 130-121 victory in Game 4. They're now just 1 away from the NBA Finals, leading the series 3-1. At the college level now, Trine Softball is taking a big road trip this week.
I can't believe I did that.
Bloomington, Illinois, as one of 8 still battling for a national championship. The Thunder will look for some more dominating performances from their ace, Alexis Michon. The senior has delivered one of the best seasons in program history, just 2 wins away from Trine's single-season pitching record, while sporting a .79 ERA. Michon transferred to Trine a couple years back, immediately helping the Thunder win their first national title, but almost ended her time in Angola right after that.
We wanted to talk about maybe not coming back. And we say, get here. Your home is here. Your family is here. And literally, you're not leaving. She kind of said, Wes, I'm not leaving. And then we drove 14 hours to have dinner and just talk to her.
Thank you, Ava.
She called and said, you're right.
I've grown so much as a person being here, and I've met my family, so I've never been happier than I am.
It's okay, kitty.
And everyone at the school.
Trine will play its first game at the NCAA Finals tomorrow night, taking on the University of Redlands. In the community, the Embassy Theater has announced plans to acquire Audiences Unlimited, a nonprofit that's been around the past 50 years. The Embassy says the partnership will help make the arts more accessible than ever before for people who need it. The theater's president and CEO says this project took 3 years.
It's okay, Caprice.
The outreach goes into 6 counties. So one of the things we're really excited about is that we're able to continue on with the programming mission of Audiences.
This place is still a wreck.
We didn't want to see that programming go away, and it also excites us because it allows us to expand.
They need to spend a little less time on Breeanna. Get this place cleaned up.
She says by merging their efforts, they can
Or should I say,
and continue
2 Breeannas.
Vibrant art experience that's accessible.
A cloning joke?
Right now, 5 young Hoosiers are in Maryland right now for the 97 Scripps National Spelling Bee. Overall, there are more than 240 spellers between the ages of 8 and 14 competing. Participants from Indiana range from ages 10 to 13, and they're from Lafayette, Muncie, LaPorte, Greenwood, and Indianapolis.
Okay.
The event kicked off yesterday and runs today with cash prizes and other perks, while the winner gets $50,000, a trophy, and so much more.
I'm getting up on that.
Now, your 21 Alive First Alert forecast.
Your rain chances right now low, but as we go into the afternoon, they quickly shoot up and go right back down. It's one quick burst of rain coming through. You can already see we're dry at the moment with cloudy skies.
It's okay, Caprice.
That rain over in Lake County and Porter County, that's all starting to come more and more our direction.
Well, I just changed, and I will say I look very, very good, if not great. I'm wearing this very good dress I bought back in the spring of 2025. It looks very amazing on me. And I got mascara, eyeshadow, lipstick, foundation makeup on the works. And Breeanna hasn't even saw it yet. Or should I say one of the 2 Breeannas. Caprice. Kitty. My God, you look very stunning. Looks like you're about to go on a date with Breeanna. Yeah, you're right, Caprice. Yeah. I was asleep. You're right. Yeah, I look very good in this. I really love this dress. Not even wearing an underskirt, just a bra and panties underneath this dress. Nothing else. What are you doing, Caprice? It's okay, Caprice. I can always move it. Gonna give that litter box another go at it, or no? Doesn't look like it. Yeah, this place is still a wreck. Promise me you'll be back to clean it. I will, Caprice, okay? Yeah. It's gonna be okay, Caprice. Yeah. Yeah, see, you cleaned Ella's astroturf. I did. I know, Caprice. But man, you look like you're beautiful. Yeah, thank you, Caprice.
Moments later.
Well, I'm on Woodersill, about to run an errand for the day, and so already somebody's got a lead violation on Woodersill. And when I got off the C-Link just a few minutes ago, I almost fell. I had a broken bone, but I didn't. I just gotta be more careful around the city. I'm like fucking Marion.
Moments later.
Well, I tell you, this place gives me nothing but the deja vus. I have to turn in some paperwork to this food stamp office.
A few moments later.
Well, it may be noon, but I found a appointment at 3 o'clock. I look good in this outfit. I look very good and amazing.
Soon after.
Okay. So yeah, just last Thursday, I was in this building doing the dreaded stress test, heart stress test. Yeah, it didn't go so well, but I'm here for a follow-up after that. But no matter what happens today, I guess I just like being a big fat transgender female.
Later that night,
Well, it's 7:30. I got home about an hour ago. And, got back from the, cardiologists on the far north side of town. And because I didn't do so well on the treadmill test, they'll have to put me under a heart MRI. But there's a problem. It'll be done in a couple weeks. And this doesn't look very promising. But I've got a lot of work to do still. Still gotta get this place cleaned up. And it turns out the makeup foundation I used today actually worked. But I think it's gonna be a very good keeper.
the next morning,
Yesterday, Ava and I visited Iggy's Gourmet Subs on Parnell Avenue, right around the Coliseum Boulevard and Parnell Avenue area, next to Memorial Coliseum and another Drive and Shine location. I had the Kmart sub, and it was exactly how I remembered it from my childhood trips to whatever Kmart I happened to visit in the North Carolina Triangle, whether in Raleigh, Durham, Fayetteville, or my hometown of Chapel Hill. The taste brought back such vivid nostalgia, almost like stepping back in time. Ava, being a vegetarian, opted for the number 6 the veggie and number 13 the hummus subs. Iggy's has this way of making even the simplest ingredients stand out. The hummus especially looked fresh, and I could tell Ava appreciated the balance of flavors. She remembers tasting something that felt like seaweed. I've always been loyal to Jersey Mike's and Jimmy John's, but Iggy's might just be carving out its own place in my top favorites. That being said, I still can't quite get behind Subway. Ava loves Subway, but something about Subway just doesn't sit right with me and hasn't since my junior year at Lafayette Jeff High School. Growing up near the North Carolina coast, I developed a preference for bold, fresh flavors, something Subway lacks for me. But Iggy's? I'll definitely be coming back. However, after everything that's happened with Ava and I in the last few days, sitting down with her, by the way she looked amazingly beautifully hot and sexy papa. For something as simple as a Kmart sub sandwich was definitely the breather I didn't realize I needed. But back at Ava's home with Caprice's latest stunt, her so-called masterpiece, has left me shaken up a bit. I mean, what does it mean to see yourself recreated? To stand face to face with something that mimics your physical form but lacks everything that makes me real, like the ovaries, fallopian tubes, a uterus, etc. Looking at my clone, at it, was like staring into a mirror that had been warped ever so slightly. Enough to be familiar, but just so fucking wrong. Thank God I have someone like Ava. She has been a bit patient and has been helping me process it all, but honestly, I still don't know how to feel. Sure, Ava has needs when I'm not available, when she needs me when I am usually at work as a meteorologist. Caprice calls it innovation. Ava calls it something that comes in handy when she needs me. I just call it a fucking violation. And even after everything, the yelling, the confrontation, the absurdity, even the fucking bullshit of this entire goddamn situation, this cat, Caprice, still carries that smug satisfaction like she pulled off the greatest trick in history. That's why places like Iggy's matter. Familiar flavors, real memories, not manufactured ones. I needed something tangible, something that reminded me that despite the chaos, I'm still me. Ava's still herself.
Some baseball-sized hail will watch from southeastern New Mexico
Yeah.
into Texas until 11 o'clock tonight. There's another area of severe weather, and that's along the Florida coast
that's
into
right.
Georgia and South Carolina, from Jacksonville to Charleston. Some big winds and maybe a brief tornado. The storms move to the east coast tomorrow from the Florida Panhandle all the way up into Virginia. Could be a rough evening commute with some downpours to D.C. and Pittsburgh, and then it's a soaking rain up to New York City as we go into tomorrow night. Could be 1 to 2 inches here, rain as we go into Saturday. Severe storms in the afternoon. David?
Lee Goldberg back with us here tonight. Lee, thanks as
Breeanna
always.
is right.
We turn now to the tariff whiplash
She
tonight. A
loves
three-judge panel ruling that the emergency declared by President Trump
She
to
absolutely
impose
loves
those
that
sweeping
camera
tariffs,
stuff.
quote, exceeds any tariff authority delegated to the president.
And
one of those judges appointed
there's
by
only
the
one
president himself.
Kmart
Then late
left.
today, an appeals court saying the tariffs
And that's
can move
near
forward,
Miami,
at least
Florida.
for now. Companies have already warned they will raise prices, and small business owners alarmed by all of this uncertainty. Rachel Scott at the White House.
Tonight, tariff whiplash. After a federal court blocked most of President Trump's sweeping tariffs, saying he does not have the authority to do this, tonight an appeals court just ruling President Trump's tariffs can continue, at least for now. The tariffs have led to stock market swings, small business uncertainty,
And yes, this is a new bra. One of two bras I recently purchased. Two new bras I recently purchased from Rainbow at Southgate Plaza.
Tonight, the White House fighting that federal court.
And this is a
ruling that
42C
called the
bra.
tariffs unlawful. President Trump had bypassed Congress, declaring
This is a
national
t-shirt bra
emergency
I
to impose the tariffs. Something that's
purchased,
never been done
and
before.
another that has
three-judge
very good
panel
lace in
includes
it.
judges appointed by Presidents
man.
Reagan, Obama, and Trump himself.
It just makes me feel a lot
They ruled that
feminine
President
than
Trump, using a national
masculine,
emergency
because my soul
declaration,
has been female
exceeds
since
any tariff authority delegated to the president.
1995.
And then yet another federal judge ruling today the president does not have the power to, quote, unilaterally impose tariffs to reorder the global economy. So I asked the White House today, do they have another route to do this?
Is the administration actively reviewing other avenues, other options to carry out the president's trade policy?
Later that night.
In a word or two, shoot, I wanna do. No, not your body, your mind, you fool. Come here, baby. Yeah.
You sexy motherfucker.
We're all alone in a villa on the Riviera. Got some friends on the south side in case you cared. Out of all of your friends, I wanna be the closest. That's why I tell you things so you'll be the mostest when it comes to life. To be this man's wife, you got to be well educated on the subject of fights. I mean the prevention of. In other words, it's REM, meaning of this thing called love. Are you up on this? If so, then you can get up off a hug and a kiss. Come here, baby. Yeah.
You sexy motherfucker.
Come here, baby. Yeah.
You sexy motherfucker.
We need to talk about things. Tell me what you do. Tell me what you eat. I might cook for you. See, it really don't matter, cause it's all about me and you. Ain't no one else around. I'm even with the blindfold, gagged and bound. I don't mind. See, this ain't about sex. It's all about love, being in charge of this life and the next. Why all the cosmic talk? I just want you smarter than I'll ever be when we take that walk. Come here, baby. Yeah.
You sexy motherfucker.
Come here, baby. Yeah.
You sexy motherfucker.
Horn, stand up, please. I like it, I like it. You seem perplexed that I haven't taken you yet. Can't you see I'm harder than a man could get? I got wet dreams coming out of my ears. I get hard if wind blows, you get alone near me. But I can take it, cause I want the whole nine.
motherfucker.
Tommy Barbarella in the house. Scrub the dishes. Come here, Tommy. Yeah. Sexy, 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 sexy. Levi, fly. Oh man, it's I like it.
Sexy motherfucker shaking that ass. Shaking that ass, shaking that ass. Sexy motherfucker shaking that ass. Shaking that ass, shaking that ass.
Guard your folks, adopt your daughter. The sexy motherfucker's so fine, I'll drink up bathwater. A long legged, 5'8", packing an ass as tight as a grape. I want to spit my give it. I said to myself, just cuz. Cause I'm usually quite the calm one. You never found me out prowling, boy, I'm just having fun. But I had to change my state of mind for this behind. I bet if you throw that ass in the air, it'll turn into sunshine.
Sexy motherfucker shaking that ass. Shaking that ass, shaking that ass. Sexy motherfucker shaking that ass. Shaking that ass, shaking that ass. Sexy motherfucker shaking that ass. Shaking that ass, shaking that ass. Sexy motherfucker shaking that ass. Shaking that ass, shaking that ass.
You sexy motherfucker.
The next morning.
Who? Damn, Ava. You are amazingly a stunningly great transgendered wife.
This is really a good turn on for me. Oh, Breeanna. This is where my babies come from. And Oh yeah, Breeanna. Thank you for touching it. Touching it. Man. She is really freaking stunning. So, what do you think, Caprice? Yeah! Or should I say? Yeah, baby! Yeah! Well, Breeanna already got changed, and she is really, oh my God, she's stunningly beautiful. It's almost as if like it's the first time we met back in 2016. And oh man, this is amazing. Amazing. I mean, look at your hair. It's so hot. What is going on? Damn, I like this girl. She's stunning. Damn. Well, Breeanna's not the only one with a change in her appearance. Or should I say, one of the Breeannas I have, including this clone, she's got good. She's good. But, yeah. This is ready to. Yeah. I hope. Wait a minute. I hope that is where my. Well, I know I've got at least 5 more children left in my enlarged clitoris. But I'm gonna say here, I'm gonna have my final thoughts right now. This 3-part episode has something that I've never done on Caprice Ella. I've never done before, and sure it may be semi-fictionalized work, but you know, thank you, Breeanna. She loves my gray hair. And I recently wrote a storyline of yours truly and Breeanna. And I recently submitted a spicy story that I wrote from spicy vanilla. But I know you all were expecting a miniseries. And let me just say, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Crystal Gale of Wabash, Indiana.
I was sure I lost my chance forever. I never dreamed we'd ever meet again. Now here we are alone once more together, doing all the loving things we used to do back then. It's like we never said goodbye, love. We're both a little shy, love, but you sure remember how to make me smile. A different bed, a different ceiling, oh, but still that same old feeling. When I hold you close, I almost wanna cry, 'cause it feels just like we never said goodbye. It's good to hear you talk about the other times. It's good to hear your sweet voice once again. Right now, all I want to do is touch you. Feel the love start happening the way it happened then. It's like we never said goodbye, love. We're both a little shy, love, but you sure remember how to make me smile. A different bed, a different ceiling, oh, but still that same old feeling. When I hold you close, I almost wanna cry, 'cause it feels just like we never said goodbye. It's like we never said goodbye, love. We're both a little shy, but you sure remember how to make me smile. A different bed, a different ceiling, oh, but still that same old feeling. When I hold you close, I almost wanna cry, 'cause it feels just like we never said goodbye.
Later.
Yeah, what we're looking at, Breeanna, And Caprice, don't attack the clone of Breeanna, okay? I mean, look at her. I'm getting jealous. She did it again. Caprice just kicked the camera. Got you and Breeanna, motherfuckers.
Hey. Is that?
Yes, that is Caprice's project. She did. And that's why there's a clone of Breeanna. I mean, look at her. She's very stunning. She is. Oh. Aside from the fact she doesn't have any internal reproductive parts, it's all right. But I like her. Got a majority of things done. Time for me to get this place cleaned up. And that's gonna wrap it up.
This has been Caprice Ella.